Welcome to my channel.
Roach proteins show way to superfood. Cockroaches have never brought a pleasant expression on people's faces. Will that change if we know they are sources of milk protein that has thrice the calorific content of buffalo milk? Or that scientists are actually mulling food supplements made using synthesized protein crystalsthat will match all properties of those generated by roaches? All of these are true. And it took nearly 10 years for a team of scientists from US, Canada, Japan, France, and India, including those from the Institute for Stem Cell Biology and Regenerative Medicine, INSTEM, to reach these findings after the discovery of crystallized milk proteins in roaches. It all started with Nathan Cousins, a researcher under Professor Ramaswamy S. at the University of Iowa. Upon finding shiny crystals spilling out of roach guts, Cousins began investigating. Investigations on roach species Diploptera punctata led him to discover milk protein crystals. "I just thought they were uric acid crystals. But Nathan was right to have been so persistent," Ramaswamy says. Milk protein crystals are like complete food. They have proteins, fats, sugars and all essential amino acids, Sangshri Banerjee, one of the authors of a recent paper, says. Professor Ramaswamy, Sangshri and their colleagues who are now armed with the gene sequence for milk proteins from roaches plan to use a yeast system to produce the crystals en masse. They can be a fantastic protein supplement, Ramaswamy says. He adds that the crystals that scientists are planning to create negation which can be used for food supplements negation are synthetic and not directly extracted from roaches. That's more due to a psychological reason. Nobody will eat anything made from roaches. Also, now we can actually recreate these things, he told Toy. The crystalline nature of proteins in roaches offer a unique advantage. Scientists recreating it say that crystals are an equilibrium between what exists in solid state and in solution. Crystal has a high concentration of proteins, the solution has a low concentration. As the protein in the solution is used up, the crystal releases protein at an equivalent rate, they say. This, Ramaswamy says, is time-released food. These crystals have 3 times the calorific content of buffalo milk. If you need complete food that is calorifically high and time-released, this is it. Also, the scaffolding in the milk protein crystals shows fascinating characteristics that could be used to design nanoparticles for drug delivery. Scientists say milk protein crystals formed within roach guts are a rare example of protein crystals grown in a living organism. In living systems, protein crystals are generally formed within cells, tending to be limited in size. In contrast, the milk crystals within roach guts grow large enough and we were able to solve the structure of insect milk proteins, scientists said.